Okay, I'm going to go through the cell project. So I want you to look. So when you're in your course, you're going to see the cell model project. You can see in nice big blue letters that you can see there are 3 sections to this project. One is a drawing, one is a key with functions, and one are the answers to some questions. Only then can you get a full score. So you're going to click this cell project link, and it says on a sheet of paper. It doesn't say in a Word document. It doesn't say on a slide. It says on a sheet of paper, your name, the date, and the type of cell you chose at the top. And it says you have to choose animal or plant. Draw the type of cell you chose neatly and in color. And then for the plant cell, you have to draw in color and number each of the following. So here, I would just use those same numbers. I already numbered it for you. So once you did, I'm going to show you my example of a plant cell. Okay, so here's my sheet of paper. There's all of my drawings and everything is labeled. Okay, so there's my whole, and notice it's on a sheet of paper. Okay, so there's my plant cell. And then it says for an animal cell, draw in color and number each of the following. So here are 9 that you have to number. So I'm going to show you my animal cell drawing, and you will notice that it is on a sheet of paper. You see that? On a sheet of paper, everything is numbered. Okay, so there we go. There's my animal cell drawing with all 9 organelles numbered in my drawing. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the next section. On a separate sheet of paper, again, sheet of paper, put your name, the date, and the type of cell. Make a key for your drawing. So I'm going to show you my plant cell key. It says I have to use the numbers for my drawing, and then next to the number, put the name of the organelle. Then add the major function or job of the organelle. So again, I'm going to show you my plant cell. Okay, and there you go. There are all of the organelles. Okay, and notice I only wrote out one of the functions, but you would have to write out all of the functions if you were doing this project. Okay, that's for plant cell. Now remember, the animal cell was another option, but that's only going to have 9 organelles. And here's my animal cell. Notice name, animal cell, date, and there are my examples. Notice for here, only this one did I actually write the function. The rest has the spot, but I wasn't giving you exactly the answers. But this is what you have to do on a sheet of paper for the animal cell. That's the second part. So real quick, part 1 is one of these drawings on a sheet of paper, numbered. Only the 10 I gave you for a plant and the 9 I gave you for an animal cell. That's it, on a sheet of paper. You draw it, you number it. For part 2, you need on a sheet of paper, you need a list to match the numbers on your drawing. That tells me the name of the organelle and the function. Notice at the top, again, it's my name, the cell I chose, and the date. So you need one of these, either animal or plant, whichever one you picked, for part 2. Okay, so that's part 1 and part 2. Now let's talk about part 3. For part 3, you had to read this little bit right here. And then you needed to answer these 5 questions in complete sentences, not a word answer, in complete sentences. And you had to just number them and answer them. I am not requiring you to write the question. So 3 parts, one more time. The drawing. Here's all the things you need in the drawing. The key with functions, and then the questions. That is the only way you can get 100. Make sure you do it correctly.